This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. In Manipur, a testing centre for novel coronavirus disease has been opened at the Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal, from yesterday. The testing centre was set up jointly by the Union Health and Family Welfare Ministry and Indian Council of Medical Research. Speaking at a one-day interactive session on COVID-19 at Imphal, Medical Superintendent of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Professor C.H. Arun Kumar said, the sample collection is authorized only at RIMS, while test could be done at the newly opened testing centre at JNIMS. The sample collection for COVID-19 is being done as per guidelines of Health Authority. Meanwhile, Manipur Health Minister L. Jayantakumar, along with State Health and Family Welfare Principal Secretary Wunlenmang, visited the international border town More to oversee arrangements made by health officials to contain the virus. Manipur shares the border with Myanmar, which also shares border with China. Bangladesh has reported that 3 persons have been found positive for coronavirus. Bangladesh's Director of Institute of Epidemiology, Diseases Control and Research, Dr. Mirjadi Sabrina Flora, yesterday informed that 2 of the infected persons had recently returned from Italy and the 3rd person is a family member of one of them. The 33rd Guwahati Book Fair, scheduled to be held later this month, has been put on hold indefinitely in the wake of the novel coronavirus outbreak. State-run Publication Board, Assam, said in a statement yesterday the decision to postpone the event was taken in view of the central government's advisory to avoid organizing any event with a gathering of large number of people. Preparations for the book fair were almost complete. Meanwhile, 1 person was booked in Arunachal Pradesh's East Siang district for posting misleading information on social media regarding coronavirus. A complaint was filed by the district medical officer at Pasighat police station. Night curfew, which was in force in Meghalaya capital Shillong for more than a week, has been withdrawn totally following improvement of law and order situation. Night curfew was imposed in Shillong and nearby areas after violence erupted on February 28 following the death of a Khasi Students' Union member during an anti-CAA and pro-ILP rally at Ichamati in East Khasi Hills district. However, in Ichamati, curfew was relaxed from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. today, and the curfew in areas under Sora police station was relaxed from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. All areas under Shala police station have been relaxed from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. today. The state police have transferred all violence-related cases to the Criminal Investigation Department for a thorough investigation, and a magisterial inquiry has been initiated to probe the violence at Ichamati. Assam Assembly Speaker Hitendranath Goswami said that he would discuss with the state government and opposition parties the matter related to uploading of the budget on an official website hours before its tabling in the House. Though leaking of the budget is not a breach of privilege, but data security is prime in the age of digitization, he said. Hours before Assam Finance Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma read out the state budget for 2020-2021 on Friday afternoon, the copy of the speech was uploaded but pulled down later. The incident led to chaos in the assembly, with the opposition interrupting Sarma while presenting the budget. President Ramnath Kovind yesterday gave away the Nari Shakti Puraskar to 15 women in Rashtrapati Bhavan on the occasion of International Women's Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also greeted the people on International Women's Day. Mr. Modi said India has outstanding women achievers in all parts of the nation, and these women have done great work in a wide range of sectors. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said that the government is committed to its resolve to empower women across all platforms. The day was also celebrated in various states of the Northeast. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.